Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you have got the Uber Pro card and you are looking to remove it from your digital wallet or just stop using it altogether, this video will walk you through the exact steps to do it. It's quick, easy, and I'll show you how to get it done right from the Uber Pro card app. Let's get started. First, open the Uber Pro Card app on your phone. This is not the regular Uber or Uber driver app. It's the separate app made just for managing your Uber Pro Card and account balance. Once you are in, look at the bottom of the screen and tab labeled account, and that's where all your profile and settings lie. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see a small icon or text that says support. Tap that. This will take you to a list of support topic where you can ask for help, or in this case request to remove or deactivate your Uber Pro card. Once you are in the support section, either select a topic related to card removal or search for remove card in the help bar. You will then be able to submit a request to either deactivate the card or unlike it from your Uber account and wallet. Uber support team usually replies pretty fast and they will confirm once it's been removed. If your Uber Pro card is also saved in Apple Wallet or Google Wallet, don't forget to manually remove it there too. On iPhone, just open your Apple Wallet, tap the Uber Pro card, then hit the More button and scroll down to remove this card. And Android, open Google Wallet, tap the card, then hit the three dots and select remove. You have officially removed your Uber Pro card from your wallet and your account. If this helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more no nonsense app guides just like this. Got question or stuck somewhere? Drop a comment below. I'm here to help.